Hey everybody, I'm Mike.
I'm Amanda.
Today we are making the Canadian cheddar cheese soup.
And we are the High Stew Disney.
All right,
You ready?
let's do it. Let's dive in.
Okay, this is not a dish we've had before.
can't think of anything I've eaten in the Canadian Pavilion. I've only had the beer,
Yeah, I
but
think,
that was about it.
yeah, we haven't had this before at any of the festivals or at Le Cellier, so I'm excited. I'm not a huge fan of like onion and celery, but
It should be alright. It's
Why?
small enough.
that's why I'm gonna dunk it with a pretzel. That's why
Yeah.
we made pretzels. But, all right.
Let's go. You take all the bacon.
Yeah, you can't taste it. I can see it.
Cheers.
Oh, hold on.
Oh no, it's pretty good though.
Yeah, it's not the stuff isn't bad.
No, it's not bad.
Taste. Is that the beer I taste?
Yeah, get a little bit of the beer flavor, a little bit of cheddar, onions and garlic.
I'm really good at these.
We've made pretzels too. We'll put the pretzel recipe with the soup recipe as well. How's it dipped?
Fantastic.
That's really good.
So I'm not really a soup fan. Like the only time I ever eat soup is sometimes I'll have chicken. Wow, not true. Sometimes I will have tomato soup when we have grilled
Yeah,
cheese.
grilled cheese.
So I'm not a soup fan, so that's just not what I like. But it tastes good. Like I like it more of a dipping sauce for pretzels, but that's just me.
That's literally what I would use it for. Like, I don't know if I would go to the restaurant and actually order it as like to eat as a soup because it's quite thick. It's a cream soup. It's thick, so it's like I don't eat. I don't know. I feel like I dip liquid cheese and I actually
Yeah.
be in a soup.
So we'd love to hear from you guys if you've had the cheddar soup from Cellier. We'd love to hear if you liked it, if you didn't, what your feelings are on it. Everybody seems to love it from what I see online, and it's one of those like you must have it when you're in Epcot kind of things. We've been to Epcot so many times and we've never had it.
Yeah,
so.
I feel like it's the thing. I still feel like you go to Epcot, you order the cheese soup, and then you literally get a big
Bread
bunch
bowl.
of sliced bread or a bread bowl and you eat it that way. So it's like you're still eating it with bread. You're not eating it by itself. You don't get a bowl of it and scoop it out. So let us know how you've eaten it, what you think of it. I mean, it's hard for us to really to judge it based on that, but because we've never had it.
We can't compare it. We can only judge off of what we've made.
I mean, all the other soups and like cheese style soups that I've had, like a broccoli cheddar or a cheeseburger soup and stuff like that, it's the same kind of consistency, so it's really good. This would be really good with broccoli, I think.
That's like a broccoli cheddar.
But, you know, thank you guys so much for watching. We had a fun time making it.
Yeah, we always do. This definitely was not my favorite recipe, but it was super easy.
Yeah, as long as you get your stuff prepped, it's pretty easy. It only took us 2 pots. I mean, we had the big pot that you guys saw, and then we heated up the milk, which you can always do in the microwave, or you can, I don't know how you want to heat it up. Really, let it sit out all day. I don't know. Don't do that. That's gross. But it was, yeah, and then just literally adding everybody to the pot. And it came out fine. I mean, it tastes really good. It needed a lot more salt than I anticipated.
Yeah, as you saw, he went in.
I did it added salt 3 different times. I mean, the thing is that I used I just use a bone broth versus a regular chicken stock because I think bone broth A tastes better and B it's saltless or it's salt free, so it doesn't, you know, I can season it as I need it. It's better for you if you like that. So, but you know, definitely hit the like button, check the subscribe button, let us know how we did. Leave us a comment below.
Yeah, let us know what you want to see next. We got a couple of suggestions on last week's video.
Yeah, some cool stuff that I'm going to source. So excited about that one because that'll be something that a product I've never dealt with. So that'll be fun to play around with.
Yeah, so that's definitely going to be next week. So make sure that you tune in next week where we are going to make a brand new food to us again. And it's kind of a new food to Disney World too. It's
Don't say it.
I'm not going to say what it is. It's at a newer restaurant, kind of. So I'm excited to try it out, and I'm really thankful that one of you guys had suggested it. So make sure you tune in next week to see what we make. And
with that, we will see you guys later.
bye.
Peace.